Did you know that you can get a full mechanical keyboard for under $40? The HC-Man mechanical keyboard provides versatility and high performance with its Cherry MX Blue mechanical switches. Numerous backlighting modes allow for seemingly endless personalization, combined with 7 custom modes for a user to make it their own. The keyboard is covered with multicolour LEDs throughout. This helps with the rainbow effect as seen before, as well as several settings on the keyboard. Three of the lighting modes provide more user interaction as LEDs light up depending on which key is pressed. These brilliant features make this keyboard worth the money, as they are usually seen on much more expensive mechanical keyboards. The aluminium body of the keyboard gives it a professional and expensive feel compared to other plastic keyboards, and the clear metal HC-Man logo stands out to the right of the keyboard. Each side of the keyboard is polished, making it shiny and aesthetically pleasing to users. This contributes to its expensive feel for its price. The included key remover is easy to use and removes keys hassle-free. Moderate force must be applied to remove the keys, but they can be removed, which is a good addition to the functionality of the keyboard. The back of the keyboard's box has a sticker applied which gives clear instructions on how to use the various functions of the keyboard. 2 collapsible plastic feet on the bottom allow a user to choose between 2 different levels of elevation while using the keyboard. In conclusion, I believe that the HC-Man mechanical keyboard's compelling functionality and Cherry MX Blue switches make it an excellent choice for the budget gamer. A link to the page on Amazon will be provided in the description, as well as other information about the music used in this video on my Instagram profile. Thank you for watching Adam Adder Tech and my review on the HC-Man mechanical keyboard. Please consider subscribing as well as liking and sharing this video so that I can grow and buy better equipment for video recording.